Hi guys, it's Deb back again, and I've got another layout process video just showing you the background of this one. It's already been done. I used some watercolors and some Gina K glitter paste through a stencil. Well, I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but it's the glittery paste from Gina K. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Leaves that really pretty sparkle. Now, I have had this layout started years ago. It's been sitting in one of my scrapbook tubs waiting to be finished. So basically, I had the background done and the cut file backed, and I still had all the excuse me, florals sitting on my table at this stage when after I'd done that wreath one layout. And I thought because I'd used Paige Evans to back the cut file and put the border on the page, I would go ahead and use the florals because I find that most of her collections go together well. So I'm just going to pop some florals behind the craft cart and behind the photo mats. I've got two 3x4 photo mats there. I'm debating whether to document going to retreat or when my craft room was newly renovated and nicely painted and before I made a big mess in there. So it still hasn't got photos on it, but I'm just happy to have this layout ready for photos to go on. So I'm going to put the cut file up on some fun foam to lift it up from the page, and I do bring in some puffy title words those ones that are already titled for you. I'm pretty sure they'll Paige Evans too because the colours match perfectly, and I'm just going to put the word awesome in between those two photo mats, and once I figure out what photos are going to go on there, I can add to the title later on. So I do end up sticking them down with some glue because of all that mixed media that's on the background. So it came together pretty simple because I had everything, like the cut file had been backed, and I remember when I was backing that, when I first did it, it took a long time because there's a lot of bitty pieces in that cut file. So it comes with all the little bits and pieces in the trays, or you can cut it out just an empty cart. So putting some florals on the corners of them photo mats. I did pull the smaller florals from the sticker book and put them on some paper and fussy cut them out. I'm pretty sure the bottom one changes, the one that overlaps that photo mat. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure it does. And then I come in with the little puffy florals from the Blooming Wild collection as well, and I just scatter them around, and then I think I add in some puffy hearts. I don't think I added enamel dots on this one. I think I got the puffy hearts from that title thicker sheet that I got the word awesome from. So yeah, pretty quick layout. Very, very happy that it's actually done and ready for photos now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.